good morning, good afternoon, good evening, at whatever time of the day you're watching this video. Hello, this is Saili and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a quick DIY scrub or exfoliator, whatever you want to call it. You can use it for your body scrubbing, body exfoliation, or for face exfoliation. It is quite a quick fix and really very easy to do. Okay, so without wasting any further more time, I will quickly tell you what all we need. That's a mod if you see the tail. I will quickly tell you what all ingredients or things we need to make this scrub. Okay, so first up we will need castor sugar. Itni nahi lagegi, but I just have this dabba, so I have gotten this. Castor sugar makes a great exfoliator. It has really fine granules, and that's why castor sugar, you cannot use powdered sugar or icing sugar, what we call it as a powdered sugar or icing sugar, or the regular kitchen sugar that we have, which we use for chai and mithai and all of that. वो जो नॉर्मल शुगर होती है वो उसके बहुत बड़े कोर्स ग्रैन्यूल्स होते हैं एंड दे कैन कॉज रैशेस टू योर स्किन. जिनकी स्किन एक्स्ट्रा सेंसिटिव होती है उनको तो बहुत ही रैशेस हो जाएंगे. एंड नॉर्मली भी it's not recommended because it really rubs your skin and which you don't want. Castor sugar, because it has really fine granules and that will help your skin exfoliate really well. Okay, and then second ingredient and the most important ingredient is lemon. Lemon again is a great exfoliator, great dead skin removal, and really basically really very good for skin. So lemon. Then you need glycerine. Glycerine, because when you scrub your skin or you exfoliate your skin tends to get really dry. Okay, and we don't want that. So glycerine, because glycerine is one of the finest moisturizers one can use on their skin. So that's why glycerine. And essential oil. Essential oils, because they have really great benefits, great qualities. Great qualities. So what essential oils I have taken are lemongrass, peppermint, and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil happens to be my favorite because it is antifungal, anti-inflammatory. It has great benefits. Anti-pimples. If you have acne problems, you can totally use this tea tree oil with your face packs, with your body scrubs or your face scrubs, or you can mix it with some moisturizer you use and apply it on your face. And trust me guys, it is so good. Peppermint oil, because oh my god, it has such cooling properties. It is if you have sore muscles or you have some kind of muscle pain, like I have a little bit of neck pain over here, so I am going to use it for that. I will scrub my neck with this peppermint oil, and it is really going to give me such good effect. So yeah, this peppermint oil. Then we have lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil, as we all know, lemongrass has such soothing smell to it, right? So lemongrass oil. So I had gone for a quick water break because I spoke a lot. I generally don't speak so much at one go. Okay, so we spoke about all the ingredients that we require. Then we need a mixing bowl, obviously, to mix the scrub. Then we will need a jar. If you want to store this scrub or this exfoliator, you want to store it for longer days or for a longer number of days, then you can use a jam. I have a jam jar. You can use an airtight tin also. I have taken a tissue roll just in case, because I am shooting this video just in case required. You wouldn't need it. A mixing spoon, of course. Then now let's start with making the scrub. Okay, so to begin with, we are going to put in sugar, how much of a sugar we require. So we are going to put about 2 tablespoons, say 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. I got this spoon with the sugar itself, castor sugar. This castor sugar basically is used for baking purposes, and that's how how fine granules these are. See, if you want to see how fine granules these are, and they are going to exfoliate your skin amazingly, guys. So that's why castor sugar and not any other sugar. Now what you're going to do is mix a little bit of glycerin to it. So if you have about 2 tablespoons of castor sugar, you can mix about half a teaspoon of glycerin to it, or you can pour in more. Really doesn't matter, because glycerin is great for your skin, guys. Glycerin is really great for your skin. So that, and then I'm gonna pour peppermint oil. Now just a quick disclaimer, guys, if you want to use this scrub just for your face, and if you don't like extremely cool sensation on your face, then I would recommend skipping this altogether. Or if you want a little bit cool sensation, you're okay with that, then put like about a drop or 2 drops just for your face. If you're using only for your face, only then this gives amazing smell already. Then next up, we are going to pour tea tree essential oil. I like tea tree a lot, so I'm going to put about 5-6, a lot of drops, 10-12 drops of them. Then lemongrass oil. Again, lemongrass oil has really good benefits. It relieves your headaches, or it relieves it is just a instant boost of energy. It just rejuvenates your skin so nicely, or it just gives you such a nice feel. So I like using lemongrass a lot, so you can use this also. And now what you're going to do is, either with your hand or anything, you're just going to give it a good mix. If you want to go, like, if you think that your consistency is too dry, which is very unlikely because of the glycerin, but if you feel that your consistency is too dry and you want a little bit of texture to the scrub, then you can go ahead and add a little bit of more glycerin to it, which I'm gonna do now. I have added about a half a teaspoon more of glycerin and mix it. Okay. Okay, so this is that is it, guys. Your scrub is ready. You can use it, you can apply it on your hands, and see, it gives such an instant effect to your skin. As you rub it and as you wash it off, you will instantly feel that softness to your skin, and as in when you use it regularly, you will get such amazing benefits out of it, because it is going to remove all your dead skin cells and give you such a good effect. If you want to use it, like, just a quick tip, if you want to use it as a manicure substitute, you can add a little bit of sodium bicarbonate in it, or hydrogen peroxide to this, and rub it on your nails. It is going to clean your nails so nicely. You will instantly have that mani-pedi feel. Okay, matlab when you use it to your legs, pedicure feel, and when you use it to your hands, manicure feel. Right now, if you want to store this, you are going to store this as is. Okay, you're not going to, I have not squeezed lemon in it because of a reason. Okay, when you want to, because once we pour lemon to it, lemon, by the way, also has very good cleaning properties. Okay, very good cleaning properties. So once you pour lemon in it, because it is sugar, it is going to start melting. So you have to make sure that the moment you want to use this scrub is when you add lemon in it, lemon juice in it, or lemon, just squeeze lemon in it. That's it, right? If you want to store this scrub for a longer period of time, say for you want to store it for a number of days, you want to make it in bulk and then store it, you are just going to mix these ingredients which I have told you, and then put it in a jam jar, or put it in an airtight jar, tin, whatever it is, and just stir it. It is so easy and so quick. I can't even tell you, this is so amazing. It will give you an instant burst of energy, rejuvenation, because it has such nice essential oils in it, and they have such amazing properties. If you've had a tiring day, if you've got a bad day, you go ahead and pour this oils in this castor sugar and rub it on your skin and rub it on your body and have a nice bath. It is going to give you such cooling effects, guys. It is going to, just take away all your stress. Again, these are not the only essential oils that you use. These are just my preferences, guys. If you like sweet smell or floral smell, so if you want floral smell, you can go ahead and use jasmine essential oil, sandalwood essential oil, what all essential oils, lavender essential oil, rose essential oil. There are so many essential oils available in the market. You can go ahead and use any of them according to your preferences. There is also vanilla essential oil. Sometimes I also use that, because whenever I feel like I want that cupcakey smell to myself, I go ahead and pour a few drops of essential oils on this castor sugar and just rub it on my skin. It is so amazing, guys. This is really amazing. I'm stressing this stressing on it so much because it is so quick fix. I am shooting this video and that's why it took me so long, but I'm telling you guys, to make the scrub, it won't even take you 2 minutes. It won't even take you 2 minutes. Just before the bath, pour it in a pot or a jar or a bowl, whatever. Just mix these things and take it to your bathroom and scrub it in your skin and have a nice wash. That's it. This is so amazing. Now I'll pour this again back. Actually no, I'll scrub my face, and only this, a tablespoon, like a spoonful of will be enough to scrub my face. Now whenever you want to go for your bath, just squeeze a few drops of lemon juice on your scrub, mix it and start rubbing it on your skin like this. Instantly start rubbing it on your skin. Rub it nicely. And then instantly you will feel this sensation. Using essential oils is going to do no harm to you guys, because I have a few cuts on my fingers, few cuts and burns on my fingers. The people who cook would know that this is a normal thing for people who cook, right? So I do have a few cuts and burns here and there, but it doesn't give me that irritation. So using essential oils is totally safe, और using lemon on your skin is totally safe. Castor sugar तो sugar है, उससे कोई harm ही नहीं है. Glycerin again is such a great moisturizer, is the most natural moisturizer one can have or use on your skin. So there are no side effects. There are absolutely no side effects to the scrub. So go ahead and use it if you like it. This was my quick fix to salon, spa or exfoliation or whatever, scrubbing session or exfoliation session or mani-pedi session. This was my quick fix. Wash my hands and they feel so soft, literally baby soft. And with regular usage of this scrub, you're going to feel amazing benefits. So go ahead and try this, guys, and if you love it, you're going to thank yourself later for trying this on. Okay, so with this, I sign off from this video, and if you like this video, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends if you like this quick scrub, body exfoliator, face exfoliator, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.